Winslow, Arizona. Here, I'm standing on the corner. Here, I'll stay on the corner. I'm not really on the corner. See, I'm not really on the corner. We're kind of on a corner. Shit. Okay, so we made it to Winslow. We made it all the way, and it's really cold out here, so this is going to be a real fast video. We're heading up to the Flagstaff Mountains. We got a huge snowstorm coming we're about to go into, and we'll see how it turns out. It's been a good trip. We made it here, so I'm happy as hell, man. This is great. We'll head up to Flagstaff, and then we'll probably charge there or Sedona, and then head on down to Phoenix. So, man, it's super cold. You look like you're cold.
No, I'm good.
Should I just keep this going or no?
Go for it.
No, we're cool. All right, here it is, Winslow, Arizona. Look, we got Carl Jr.'s over there. We're at the Walmart. Give it the old Walmart, and then show. Let's see what we got. Like, this is it. Here we are. We got the hyper fast have been cruising. It's at 120 kilowatts, but it was at a 171, which my thing only pulls 170 kilowatts. It can only pull so much energy at one time, and then that's it. So the 350 kilowatts is kind of a misnomer, but it does go faster than the others, and it's